Thank you. A very good afternoon to you. Bits and pieces of showery rain and drizzle around today, but some sunshine as well. And as we go through this afternoon, most places will begin to notice winds just freshening up a touch. Temperature-wise, it's mild, and that continues to be the theme over the next few days and nights. Into tonight, if you're travelling Trans-Pennine, low cloud mistiness and some rain. And for many of us, it's going to be increasingly windy tonight, but we're free from frost. 8 or 9 Celsius, the overnight low. We start tomorrow morning on a very mild note, and temperature-wise, it's well above average for the time of year, but gusty winds will pick up, especially for exposed western coast through the day and up on higher ground. Bye-bye. We're noticing a few more bare trees now here in the northwest. I'd say quite a few leaves coming off tomorrow. It's going to be windy. The forecast is coming up later. And after a showery couple of days, things are set to settle down weather-wise through the rest of this week. However, tomorrow will be a windy one. The forecast is coming up. Thank you. Very good evening to you. Really mild conditions through the rest of this week. Temperatures similar to the sort we'd expect in the middle of September. It isn't going to be wall-to-wall sunshine for the next 48 hours. There's some rain around and really gusty winds through tomorrow. However, into this weekend, there will be some sunshine to look forward to. Now, we're pulling in air from the south, effectively the Azores, well above average across the UK at the moment. Some strong gusty winds, though, through tomorrow, easing off on Friday. But our temperatures will peak on Friday at around 17 degrees. Now back to this evening. For most of us, largely cloudy skies, patchy rain and drizzle, and a murky old night if you're travelling Trans-Pennine, certainly. You'll notice into the early hours of tomorrow morning winds increasing for exposed western coasts. For most places, a dry end to the night, and for all of us, we avoid a frost. 8 or 9, the absolute minimum tonight. On to tomorrow, the sun will rise at 7:27, setting at 4:21. A windy start to the day tomorrow, particularly for exposed western coast once more and up on higher ground. Quite cloudy skies as well, I would have thought, but there will be some brightness through the day on and off. As well as that, out of thicker cloud, patchy rain and drizzle, spits and spots of rain in the air, and those gusty winds during tomorrow afternoon. It's mild though, 15 or 16 Celsius tomorrow. Looking ahead through the rest of this week, settling down with high pressure dominating. Friday, perhaps 17 degrees, and at the moment Saturday and Sunday look fine and dry. Not quite as warm, but still above average. Enjoy your evening. Bye-bye. Hello again. The next few days are feeling very mild, the sort of temperatures we'd expect in mid-September. It is going to be windy though tomorrow for the northwest with patchy rain at times, but into the weekend settling down with more sunshine on offer. Overnight tonight, Trans-Pennine routes are murky and damp. For many places, though, a dry end to the night, and you'll probably notice those winds picking up into the small hours of Thursday. Across the board, there's no danger of any frost tonight, 8 or 9 degrees, and we head into tomorrow on a very mild note and largely dry. The sun is up tomorrow at 7:27, setting at 4:21. Perhaps a cloudy start to your day. Northwest England will be breezy from the word go with gusty winds. For Irish sea coasts and again up on higher ground during the day tomorrow. Out of thicker cloud, patchy rain and drizzle on and off tomorrow afternoon. But lots of dry weather too, perhaps a few glimmers of brightness. And the air is mild. Ultimately, it's coming up from the Azores, so 15 or 16 Celsius, well above average for the time of year. Perhaps temperatures dipping a bit into the weekend, but it's still above average and staying dry and looking to be fine. Good night, sleep tight.